Hello, friends. Today we will discuss some important economics MCQs for BPSC and UPSC exams, which includes Indian and international economics. So, first question is GDP versus GNP. Which of the following is included in gross national product, that is GNP, but not in GDP, that is gross domestic product? A. Income generated by foreign companies in India. B. Income earned by Indian residents abroad. C. Government expenditure on defense. D. Export of goods and services. Answer is B. Income earned by Indian residents abroad. GDP measures value of goods and services produced within Indian borders. So GNP is GDP plus income earned by Indians abroad minus income earned by foreigners in India. For example, an Indian engineer working in the US contributes to India's GNP, not its GDP. Inflation types question is too much money chasing too few goods refers to a cost push inflation, a demand pull inflation, C stagflation, D hyperinflation. Answer is B, demand pull inflation. When demand exceeds supply, prices rise is demand pull. Cost push happens when production costs rise. For example, oil price hike. So during festival seasons, demand for gold increases. Higher gold prices is equal to demand pull inflation. 3. Fiscal deficit question. Fiscal deficit means total expenditure minus total receipts, excluding borrowings. B. Revenue receipts minus revenue expenditure. C. Capital receipts minus capital expenditure. D. Budgeted expenditure minus budgeted revenue. Answer is A. Total expenditure minus total receipts, excluding borrowings. Fiscal deficit shows how much government needs to borrow to meet its expenses. It indicates macroeconomic stability. Example is India's fiscal deficit target for 25-26 is it 5.1% of GDP. Budget data. Monetary policies question. Which of the following is a quantitative tool of RBI's monetary policy? A. Repo rate. B. Moral suasion. C. Credit rationing. D. Margin requirements. Answer is A. Repo rate. Quantitative tools control money supply in general, which are tools are repo rate, reverse repo rate, CRR, and SLR, cash reserve ratio, and SLR, statutory liquidity ratio. Quantitative tools are to control credit flow to specific sectors, are moral suasion, margin requirements. So if RBI reduces repo rate, loans become cheaper, demand rises, and growth increases. Now, question from BOP, balance of payment. In India's BOP, current account includes A. FDI inflows, B. External commercial borrowings, C. Export and import of goods and services, D. NRI deposits. Answer is C. Export and import of goods and services. Current account is equal to trade in goods and services, income, and remittances. Capital account is equal to FDI, ECB, portfolio investment, NRI deposits. So India promoting crude oil is equal to current account deficit. Now, poverty line question. Which committee recommended Tendulkar methodology of poverty estimation? A. Y.K. Alak Committee, B. Suresh Tendulkar Committee, C. Rangarajan Committee, D. Gadgil Committee. Answer is B. Suresh Tendulkar Committee. Introduced in 2009 based on expenditure on food, education, and health. It replaced calorie-based Alak method. Example, poverty line rural area rupees 816 per month, urban area 1000 per month according to 2011-12 prices based on 2011-12 prices. Question number 7, agriculture and economy. Minimum support price MSP is recommended by A, Niti Aayog, B, Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices, CACP, Ministry of Agriculture, DRBI. Answer is B, CACP. MSP protects farmers from price fluctuations. CACP recommends Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs approves from 2025-26 MSP of wheat is equal to rupees 2,275 per quintal. International economics question, most favored nation MFN clause is related to A, IMF, B, WTO, C, World Bank, D, UNDP. Answer is B, WTO. Under WTO, MFN means is equal trading terms to all member countries. If India reduces tariff on imports from USA, the same should apply to all WTO members is called MFN rule.